Let's go.
Kettle sings a sugar note, slippers find the floor. Toast pops up like tiny drums, sunlight at the door. Strawberry jam in polka dots paints corners of the day. Cat yawns wide like a tuba line, clouds begin to sway. Cup rings on the wooden table, metronome of steam. Windows hug the neighborhood with cottony candy gleam. Street outside is yawning too, gentle traffic hush. I write your name in butter hearts and take a careful brush. Keep it simple, keep it slow. Count to 4 and let it glow. Every small and golden thing is big enough to make us sing. Marshmallow morning cloud on a spoon, stirring a laugh in a bright little tune. Pillowy daylight under our feet, making a waltz out of ordinary street. Marshmallow morning soft as a breeze, honeyed hello on cinnamon leaves. If troubles knock, we'll tie them a bow, sweeten the day and let it go. Sneakers loosely laced with light, mailbox winks hello. Lemon trees on windowsills nod gently as we go. Corner stand with paper flowers, chalky pastel signs. Smile inside in bubble letters, curved like friendly vines. You count pigeons on the wire, I count seconds blue. Crosswalk clicks in peppermint, keeping time for two. Pocket map of tiny plans, drawn with butter pen. Circle, sit, and watch the sky, underline again. Keep it tender, keep it kind. Beat by beat, we're redesign. If the world begins to race, we'll set a softer, sweeter pace. Marshmallow morning cloud on a spoon, stirring a laugh and a bright little tune. Pillowy daylight under our feet, making a waltz out of ordinary street. Marshmallow morning soft as a breeze, honeyed hello on cinnamon leaves. If shadows fall and try to stay, we'll toast their edges far away. Busker hums a caramel chord, coins like lemon rain. Sidewalk paints our mirrored steps, looping soft refrain. We trade headlines for daisy stems, news for apricot. Time forgets to check the clock, loosened every knot. Balcony above us claps, laundry in the wind. Neighborhood becomes a choir, smiling without end. I tuck one extra moment in my sleeve for later on, in case the afternoon forgets how bright it started strong. Whistle the worries light, fold them into white. Sprinkle little, it's okay, let the blue turn gold today. Hand in hand we underline every ordinary shine. Clap to sway for soft steps on the kitchen floor. Breathe to laugh for marshmallow hearts want more. Marshmallow morning cloud on a spoon, stirring a laugh and a bright little tune. Pillowy daylight under our feet, making a waltz out of ordinary street. Marshmallow morning soft as a breeze, honeyed hello on cinnamon leaves. If the sky forgets its glow, we'll lend it sweetness till it grows. Melt and stay.
Чуть не заехали, ну так, значит, на минут 40 на часик.
Две дороги.
Там минут 15. Я знаю. Столько был вид с балкона.